Good morning friends. Today we will learn about pool boiling process. First of all, consider that this is the bowl which contains fluid, and we will heating this bowl from the bottom side. When we give heat to this bowl, then bowl heated and also that fluid also heated, and temperature must be increases. Okay. First of all, we consider that the bowl is kept at 1 atmosphere pressure. Uh, then this is this is the pool boiling curve. There are four regions in that: natural convection boiling, nucleate boiling, third is transition boiling, and fourth is film boiling. Okay. First, we will learn about natural boiling, natural convection boiling. Okay. Generally, natural convection boiling is due to the temperature difference of the molecules of the fluid, density difference. When the temperature increases, when the temperature of fluid is increases, then the density of fluid is decreases. Due to that, this due to that the liquid gets lighter than the cold liquid, and liquid gets uh, up to the that bowl. Okay. And then which is not heated, the cold liquid is get downside, and when we heating from the bottom, then the liquid get heated. First of all, what is this curve? This is curve is in y-axis. There is in y-axis there is heat flux. The unit of heat flux is watt per meter square. What is meant by heat flux? Heat flux is the quantity of heat we supplied to the system per unit area. Okay. When we consider that cross section, how much heat will be given to the that fluid. Okay. And in x-axis we have the temperature difference between saturated temperature of the fluid with respect to the actual temperature of the fluid. This is the temperature difference. Okay. First is natural convection boiling. It is due to I earlier said that it is due to the density difference. Okay. In that region we will mm, consider that there is almost a linear behavior of curve. Okay. And then the means the flux of heat flux is increases linearly to the temperature difference. Okay. And then we will move to the region, second region, nucleate boiling. What is meant by nucleate boiling? Nucleate boiling has two phases. Okay. First is first is the temperature is goes beyond the saturation temperature of fluid. Okay. And then it starts formation of bubbles. Why this bubble forms? The bubble forms due to the vapor trap between molecules, and then it gets to expose to the surface. Okay. In nucleate boiling there is bubbles to be formed. Then these bubbles, then heat flux is goes on increasing, temperature difference goes on increasing, and the point B comes where the it has to be peak of their bubble formation, and suddenly there is a rise in heat flux. Okay, sludge rise in heat flux. B to C is the after curve. C is the point where the flux is maximum. Okay, then move towards forward in the third region, transition boiling. What is transition boiling? Transition boiling in which these bubbles are formed in the nucleate boiling gets saturated at the bottom side, and then these vapor pockets are formed. Why these vapor pockets are formed? Due to the bubbles are merged in the groups, and then vapor pockets are formed called as transition boiling. Then why this is the drop of curve? Why this is the flux, yeah, drops in the region temperature is being increased. Okay, this temperature is 103 degrees Celsius. This temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. This temperature is 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, means temperature is goes on increasing, but this flux gets reduced. The reason behind that is the pockets, vapor pockets formed at the bottom side of this bowl is act as the insulation to the heat flux. Okay, whatever heat we given from the bottom side of this bowl is not fully conducted to the fluid. Fluid is stationary, vapor pockets are stationary, and vapor pockets are acts as an insulation, and then they creates resistance to the heat flow. Okay, therefore this heat uh, flux goes down. Okay, this is the minimum heat flux. After this D, fourth region is film boiling. What is this film boiling? Film boiling is the film is created at the bottom side of the bowl, and it fully developed vapor film that allows heat to pass through this vapor film. Okay, you see that this temperature is 180 degrees Celsius, this temperature is 400 degrees Celsius. This is far difference between those two are very much. Okay, and this film is created, then this condition is called as film boiling. Okay, then we see what are the actual pictures of these conditions. First is nucleate boiling. Okay, this is the consider that copper rod, and we heated this copper rod at the temperature, high temperature. This is first, this picture is nucleate boiling. Nucleate boiling has the bubbles formation at the start of nuclear boiling. Then this is transition, this vapor pockets are formed, and then this is the film boiling, that these films are created. Okay, thank you, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe out of the box learning channel for the more videos. Thank you.